Hi, I'm David Cantor with Cantor Crane. Today I'm going to talk about governmental liability. Now, government liability arises when there's an injury caused by a governmental agency or by its employee. Now, the most common reason for this type of damage is negligence. Basically, slow 911 response or slow fire department response. I myself had my own house fire in a house that was under construction, in which I sued the government and the fire department, and I won. So I personally know about this. Also, there's improper maintenance of roadways or construction defects, which are quite common. And there's also inadequate security. What does that mean? Well, if you go onto a government property and it's not properly secured and you're assaulted or you slip and fall and get injured, you have a potential lawsuit. If you go to cantorcrane.com/premises liability or /wrongful death or inadequate security, you'll be able to find these types of topics. Now, unfortunately, wrongful death does occur in some of these situations, and that involves all sorts of different types of damages. Now, the key to a governmental liability case is what's known as a notice of claim letter. You have up to 180 days from the time you're injured to file a notice of claim letter. If you don't do that, you've waived your right to sue the government. There's an exception, though. If you didn't know that the government was at fault or that they own the property, you then have 180 days from when you knew or should have known to file that claim. That's why it's so important to get a lawyer who knows what they're doing in these cases, such as Cantor Crane. We know what we're doing. Damages. There's certain types of damages you can recover. If you go to cantorcrane.com/damages or click damages on our website, you will see the various types of monetary awards you could receive. The most common one is medical bills, current medical costs and future medical costs. Employment damages for lost wages or loss of your job, or if you had to take a lesser job due to your injury. Pain and suffering, life care costs if you end up bedridden, and surviving spouse or kids. If there's a wrongful death, they can get what's called loss of consortium, meaning that's the time now that they don't have with their mother or father or spouse. Why hire us ultimately? Well, we have the best forensic engineers and best forensic experts that we can hire to work on your case. We also have great medical providers. We can refer you to physical therapists, neurosurgeons, occupational therapists, chiropractors. Many of these doctors will take your case on a lien. That means they're not going to charge you up front. They'll wait for your case to settle, and if your case settles, they'll take their fee out of that settlement. And lastly, myself and my partner Aaron Crane, we're both ex-prosecutors. We've done over 200 jury trials of all different types. We know what we're doing. The other side knows that, and therefore insurance companies tend to settle quicker and for more money than they do with other attorneys. So if you've been injured due to governmental liability, give us a call. You can either set to come in and meet us, it doesn't cost you a dime, for 30 minutes in our office, or we'll drive out to your home or hospital if need be, and we'll meet with you. So I look forward to hearing from you soon. I look forward to seeing you soon. Take care.